Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a project share. I am joining hashtag Autumn in August. This is with Sybil B here on YouTube. She wanted you to create at least 2 videos showing crafty items that you made for autumn. So I'm making it barely. I know I've waited all month, it seemed like, to get these done. But let me share with you what I used on my projects. So first up, I use this embossing powder. This is a Stampin' Up! Embossing powder. It's the color is crushed curry, and this is some awesome embossing powder. I don't emboss a lot, but this never fails me. So use that, and then this Distress Ink Oxide by Ranger is the Spice Marmalade. Ranger and Tim Holtz. And then from Set and Crystals, I use this diamond set from Prima. From Bo Bunny, I use this 6x6 paper pad, small portion of it. Super cute pad. It's really kind of gives you the autumn and fall look. I don't have many paper pads that really center in on autumn, but I chose this one because this is the one I had. Then also from 49 in Market, I used this Art Option Spice, and this one is, I don't know the actual name of it. I guess it's Spice. It's 24 sheets, 2 each of 12 designs. This paper pad is beautiful. Let me share with you really quick. I am often just blown away by 49 in Market's paper, and this is no exception. It's just super pretty. It's double-sided. It has the watercolor pages, and then it has some really pretty florals. Look at that over there. It's just beautiful. I really like it. And this is by 49 in Market. And then I used a couple of sentiments from a book that I purchased from Tina B here on YouTube. She had this de-stash, and I love it because it's this Anna Griffin, and it's just full of sentiments, and I haven't even begun to touch all of them in here. So I'm always looking for sentiments. So this was a wonderful purchase for me a while back. So let me share with you what I made. I made 2 cards and a memory disc card. So here's the first card. And like I say, the paper is the, star of the show. I used an embossing folder, but I don't even know which one. There's just a little bit of it showing. But I just think this is so pretty with this paper. I didn't think it needed anything else. And then another card I made, and then I used some enamel dots. I forgot those to share with you. Those just from my stash, and I believe they were from a stamp market. And like I said, just the paper and an embossed sentiment, and then some gems. Super simple. And then for my Memdex card, here it is. I think it's so pretty. The colors, orange is my favorite color, so I love making things with orange, and I just put the gems on there to just give it a little oomph. And then I used some of the Spellbinders glazing glue, which kind of have a love-hate relationship with it. And then this little Hello Fall was cut out of the paper pad from Prima. Isn't that pretty? So there it is, my designs for hashtag Autumn in August with Sybil B. I think it's up the end of this month, but you still have a chance to join. She just wanted you to show 2 projects, so 2 videos showing things that you created. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know below what you think of my projects, and I will talk to you all soon. Thank you.